This is to invite you to St. Michael Cherub and Seraphim Igbala Segun Christmas Carol. This is to invite you to Cherub and Seraphim Igbala Segun for Christmas Carol. Are you not supposed to be interpreting? No. Èyí jẹ́ invitation sí Igbala Segun sí our next church fún Christmas Carol happening live on December 22nd, 2023. Tí ó máa happen ní ọjọ́ 22nd of December 2023. Time is 11 p.m. prompt. Time jẹ́ 11 p.m. prompt. The theme of the day is at the name of Jesus. Àkòrí ọjọ́ náà ni ní orúkọ Jésù Ìgbàlà Ṣẹ́gun. Is that one in the script? Say yẹn wà no script. You are sick. Oh, the Father Christmas. Minister of the day is Pastor Timothy Okuntilu. Minister ọjọ́ náà ni bí wọ́n ṣe sọ yẹn. Among the song ministration of the day are Peculiar Voices. Peculiar Voices. They are very good. Wọ́n kọ bẹ́bẹ́. Inside the carol, their voice will not be like, hello agogo, Kérésìmesì, hello agogo. Afusa. The list are Peculiar Voices, The Glory of God CNS Church, St. Michael Idakomimon Church Choir, Seraph Singers, The Ecclesiastes Brothers, CCC Aladeshade Parish Choir, Voice of Seraph, and many more. Bí wọ́n ṣe list wọn, and expect more. See you there and don't miss it for anything. Ha 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 ha. Àwọn ò tiẹ̀ lè dọ́fẹ́. Wo? See you.